How to fix YouTube Premium not working for family members. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix your issue of your YouTube Premium not working for your family members. So let's get started with it without any further delay. But before getting started, I want you to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So first thing first, open your YouTube. After opening your YouTube, the first thing you need to do is go to your profile. You can see it at the right bottom, and here go to the settings. After going to your settings, just scroll down a bit and you will be able to see the option called purchases and memberships in the middle. Just tap on that option. After tapping on it, wait for it to load and you will be seeing this kind of option. So here, tap on learn more. After tapping on learn more, you'll get options of different kind of memberships. So what I want you to do is scroll down and you will be able to see two types of membership. One of them is individual and one of them is family. So I want you to purchase the membership that says family, not the individual, because if you purchase the individual subscription, you will be not able to share it with anyone. So better watch out to buy the subscription of the family. So tap on this family membership and buy the membership, and after that you will be able to share it with your family members and they will be able to use it. So if that method doesn't work, you may just go to one of your browsers and type for YouTube support and ask for help if that is not working, because just tap on YouTube support, contact on YouTube. You can see that option on the second. Just tap on that and tell them your issue and they should be able to fix your issue. So and that way you can fix your issue of your family not being able to use your subscription of YouTube. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.